So, what do Maine Coons do when you have visitors? What do they do to you, Vicky? Start chewing on your fingers.
Pulling you closer, wafting their air up your nose. Look. Come back. Touch me.
He's the main one. When people come to the house, it's like me, 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 me.
Oh, so beautiful. Look.
Come back.
I love you, Mononi. Oh, look at him.
He looks like he ain't had a brush, doesn't he? But does he feel soft and thingy?
He's not matted all out.
He's brushed. It's just how his fur looks like under his belly's right curly, innit?
Yeah, and he does squirm around a lot on the floor and everybody.
Yeah. What's up?
Oh, there's a vibrating through my system. Oh. I'm sorry. Okay.
Come back. What's he doing? Rubbing his head on pillow.
That's what I mean. That's why his fur looks scruffy all the time. I'm not going to look clean for you.
The sharpener. Do you like the sharpener?
No, it's like air. It gets right up your nose.
Sit down then. It's right big.
It's like having a little dog on you.
What's up, Lawns?
Touch me.